Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka-office terikam jong District Sports Officer Karibhoi District, Bynta kesni kalayo ban sedang no ya kelempung ya lekai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Araja Arpusau. Kebanong lai sengi lenter, hakamadan ya lekai jong ke NSCA, hapaham SIM Nongpoh. Kumbasya jar sispa khat saungut ki khana pule na ki lai phau Tylli ki Skul, na keleng ki jaka jong Karibhoi District, kilawan ban ya Shim Bynta Shitham hakani kelempung, kebala pihak aki lai Bynta. Kata anak Bynta ki bahapo khat sausnam, ki ba khat harusnam, bat gitu ki bahapo kakarta ka ba khat prasnam kan thei bat shenrang. Hakani ka sngi pli yakani ka lumpung, lawan ban ya Shim Bynta ringkat da uba finally L Paryat, General Secretary ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association kum Ukongsan, uba Gordon S Langsti, Functional Manager jeng ke DCIC kum Usembut Kongsan, uba Bobby L Nongbet, District Sports Officer Karibhoi, kinong yalam Karibhoi District Sports Association, bat kiwe de.
Number 780. Gate number 4, first number is 890.
Wish all the students to take their sport seriously, because the government has come a program of giving even cash award for winning even at the Meghalaya Games. So many awards have been given by the government. There's also a new scholarship program that each athlete who have won the zonal are getting 8,000 rupees per month for 1 year. So take this as a news for you to work hard, because if you're in school, we support you for your school to college level through this amount that you're getting. So athletic is the mother of all sports. It's not hard to practice. It's not like football which you have to learn 11, 12.
I was thinking when I was invited yesterday, I was thinking what is exactly sports? Sports is a physical activity, okay, where you set your goals and go out and achieve them. Now goals may differ. We all know the fastest man on earth is Usain Bolt. I bet Usain Bolt is the fastest man on earth. It did not happen overnight, nor was he born with it. It was with sheer determination, with sheer passion, and with sheer dedication and hard work that he finally became the fastest man on earth. And it took him many years to achieve this goal. So I encourage you athletes of Karibhoi District, you have to start somewhere, and I bet Usain Bolt started from his own home, from his own backyard. Set your goals step by step so that you will ultimately reach the final goal.